Hi, in this video we are going to introduce logical operators. So logical operators let us connect and modify Boolean expressions. So let's figure out exactly what that means. First, the three logical operators that we have are not, which we represent with the exclamation point, or, which we represent with the two vertical bars, and that which we represent with the two ampersand characters. Let's look at the not operator first. So let's say we want to represent a light switch. We write var light on equals true, and we can see in our box we have the value true, and that represents the light being on. And then the second line we say light on equals not light on. What that does, it takes the value of light on previously and negates it, takes the opposite. So let's look at that in the program. So var light on equals true. Then we can say print line light on. If we run that, we see the light is on. If we say light on equals not light on, and then we print that out again, we'll see that it's no longer on. And if we repeat these last two lines, we'll see that the light will go back on again. So this not is sort of taking the opposite of the previous value. The next operator is the and operator. For example, you can only be US President if you are both at least 35 years old and are a US citizen. So let's write a program to determine if you can be a US President. So we'll say var at least 35 equals, and we'll say read Boolean, so that lets us get a true false value from the user. Are you at least 35 years old? Okay, and then we'll say var is US citizen equals read Boolean. Are you a US citizen? And then finally var can be president equals, well, you have to be at least 35 and those two special characters is US citizen. So we'll print line can be president plus can be president. So let's run that program. So are you at least 35 years old? We'll say false. Are you a citizen? True. Can be president? False. So one of those was false. So the overall expression is false. The last one is the or operator. And so a value is true if one or the other is true, or if both are true. So for example, we can figure out if you are wasting time if you are on Facebook or if you are on email. So as example in a program, we say on Facebook is true, on email is false, but is wasting time is true if you're on Facebook or if you're on email. So we'll see that you are wasting time. But if both are false, then wasting time is also false.